If you wanted to, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable, nah. I don't dance now, I make money moves. Said I don't gotta dance, I don't gotta dance. I don't dance.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am reporting live from Rodeo Drive.
I'm not flexing for anyone. This is called a lifestyle.
Because I am back with another fashion DIY. Bars. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some money moves and some bloody shoes. And before we get into the video though, if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. Let's get into the video. For this DIY, you're going to need heels of your choosing. I personally think pumps are the most believable. Angelus Walk-On Red Sole Paint, and a paintbrush. I'm going to link the paint down below in my description. I have worn these shoes before, so the bottom is a bit scuffed, but because the paint is so thick, it covers it completely after 2 coats. The painting process was super easy. I made sure not to overload my brush with paint. I did small horizontal paint strokes, and I got in really tight on the edges. And I just want to put in a little disclaimer that this is totally 100% for fun, personal use, never to be resold or anything like that. At one point, I tried vertical strokes, but I just really like the way the horizontal strokes look better. And with one coat, it's still really thin, so you can really see the brush strokes. But after the second coat, it all really goes away, so it doesn't really matter, but I just really liked how the horizontal looked better. The most difficult area to paint was definitely the heel, but even then, it just required a little bit more patience and a little more attention to detail. I was super conservative with the amount of paint that I used on the heel. I just dabbed a little bit out and then kind of spread that around as opposed to kind of loading my brush with paint and then going at it. As you can see, with just one coat, it's still a little thin. You can still see some of the blemishes, but the second coat, oh my gosh, it's like magic. It brings it all to life. It looks amazing. Okay, now watch how the red just covers over the blemishes. It's like holy water cleansing sins, honey. It is amazing. I was like, wow. Because at first I was like, I don't know, the scuff marks aren't really going away. But when I put that second coat on, I was like, oh, we got a problem now. And there you have them. Ah, I love them. You have red bottoms for the broke but bougie. I love it. I think they're so much fun, and you definitely want to seal them with something. I didn't actually do that on video, but I definitely recommend it after going through this process. Sealing is definitely important.
I make money move.